Good afternoon, students. This is Mohan. Hope you're all doing well. This is a short message for all those students who are going to appear for the December 2021 CA Foundation examinations. We are going to commence a new study hours and revision examination batches for CA Foundation December 2021 aspirants on October 21st. That is on today. So commencing a new study hours and revision examination batches, popularly called as STRI batches, for December 2021 CA Foundation aspirants. A separate schedule has been designed that is called Series 2. And the first examination for these students will be on, if I remember correctly, will be on October 31st. Though we are going to commence the study hours facility or the services from October 21st, the first examination is going to be from October 31st. And we are going to conduct the full day study hours and revision exam. We are going to conduct the study hours. We are going to conduct the study hours for full day. And we are going to conduct 2 revision examinations in a week. We are going to conduct 2 revision examinations in a week. And on the other hand, if any of these students are not willing to attend the study hours and revision examinations physically, of course, they have an alternative of attending the same services, of availing the same services by staying at their home itself, and that is popularly called as Mastermind Test Series. So students will be having 2 choices, 2 options. One, they can attend the study hours and revision examinations physically. In such a case, the study hours will be conducted in a proper environment where the students can comfortably come and study in between 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And even students, if they wish, can even continue their studies up to 9 p.m. also. And if they don't want to come and attend the study hours physically, they can avail these services by taking admission into Mastermind Test Series. And in Mastermind Test Series, the students will be given a schedule, will be given the question paper. Every day, the examination is scheduled on. And after completion of the examination, the student will be given the suggested answer immediately. After completion of the examination, the student will be given the suggested answer. And within 2 weeks, the evaluation will be done and the evaluation report will also be issued student-wise. The evaluation report will also be issued student-wise. And one more unique feature that we have added from this batch is we are going to give a video explanation explaining the question paper after completion of the each examination. So the faculty is going to record a video offering the explanation of the question paper after completion of the each examination, and we are going to play the same video for all the students, including the Mastermind Test Series students. And the supporting faculty, either the supporting faculty or the main faculty will directly attend the study hours facility, doubts clarification facility for those students who are going to attend the study hours physically. And for those students who have taken admission or who are likely to take admission for MMTS, I mean to say the online revision examinations, we have opened a separate doubts clarification Telegram group, and we are going to add such students in the CA Foundation Doubts Clarification Telegram group. And if any of these students post any doubt, our faculty are going to, either our faculty or supporting faculty are going to address them, are going to resolve them. And near about 47 examinations will be conducted. Near about 47 examinations will be conducted, including the pre-final examinations. And the another unique feature is we are going to have a robust system both for preparing the question paper and for valuation as well. So our question papers and suggested answers will be verified at 3 levels. Yes, what you heard is right. Our question papers and suggested answers will be verified at 3 levels, and these question papers will be in par with the public examination standards. And my dear students, students can even, I repeat, students can even purchase the crash batch videos either as a course, I mean to say The entire course are on subject-based basis in Mastermind's online classes app by making the prescribed payment without any human intervention. For that purpose, you need not even call any of our staff members. The crash match videos which are recorded in the very recent period, I mean to say hardly, if I remember rightly, they have been recorded from September 2021, on or after September 2021. So they are recorded afresh. And on the other hand, the student can even buy the CA Foundation regular batch videos either as a course. The entire CA Foundation course are on subject-wise basis. So both the CA Foundation crash batch videos are available for sale in Mastermind's online classes app, as well as the CA Foundation regular batch videos are also available for sale in Mastermind's online classes app. And for more details, the students may call 98851 25025 and 26. My dear students, before I conclude, I'd like to highlight few things. The following are the achievements of students of Masterminds at CA Foundation level. Now, near about 40 All India ranks have been secured, including the All India second rank in the results that have been declared in 2019 and 2020. As you all know that in 2020, one examination has been cancelled. So therefore, in 3 results that have been declared in the period 2019-2020, 40 students are secured All India ranks out of the top 50 that have been declared by ICAI. And in the recent results, the results that have been declared in September 2021, our student by name Pujita has secured 362 out of 400 marks. And the point to be highlighted is, in the earlier result, I mean to say in the February 2021 result, the ICAI have officially announced the CA Foundation All India ranks. In that, a student who secured All India first rank has secured 361 marks. Whereas in the recent attempt, I mean to say in the recent result that was declared in September 2021, the ranks are not being announced by ICAI officially. In the earlier attempt, in the immediate previous attempt, I mean to say February 2021 results, they have declared the All India ranks, and the student who got All India first rank has secured 361, whereas our student Pujita, though no ranks have been announced by ICAI, has secured 362. The entire credit goes to Pujita. Thanks to our team members for making it to happen. And as a conclusion, my humble submission is, dear students and parents, when you think of taking admission into Masterminds, give more importance to our commitment, our care, concern, and our experience in delivering the services than to just our ranks. Thanks a lot. God bless you. Bye.